Welcome to English class for 7th graders.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about describing animals. Have you ever seen a cow?
What does a cow look like?
A cow is big. It has 4 legs. It eats grass. It produces milk. It lives at a farm.
To describe animals we can mention the name, size, physical appearances, food, movement and habitat of the animal. It has long neck. It has a pocket on its tummy. It has black-white stripes. It eats grass. It eats meat. It is carnivore. It eats nectar.
Let's continue to animals' movement. It slithers. It jumps far. It flies high. It swims. It runs. Animals' habitat. It lives in a river. It lives in a pond. They live in a barn. They live at a farm. They live in a sea. It lives in a forest. Now, let's try to describe an animal together. It is a zebra. It is medium-sized. It has white and black. It has 4 legs. It has a long tail. It eats grass. It can run. It lives at a savanna. Great, we could describe it. Describing an animal is easy, isn't it? That's all for today. See you.